If you're eager to succeed in life and gain better control over your finances, you've come to the right place. Today, we're delving into the financial wisdom of Warren Buffett, one of the most renowned investors of our time. In this video, we're going to explore the 7 common money-wasting mistakes that the poor often fall into, according to Buffett. Stick around until the end because the last item on our list might surprise you. But first, please do us a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to Wealthway, and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll be one step closer to achieving financial success. Now, let's get started. 1. Gambling. Number 1 on our list is gambling, a practice that can be detrimental to your finances. Warren Buffett acknowledges that there's nothing inherently wrong with an occasional game. However, relying on gambling to increase your income and build wealth is a risky proposition. Each spin of the slot machine or roll of the dice may make you crave more, leading to excessive spending that can quickly drain your bank account. Remember, success favors those who don't rely on luck, but on well-thought-out strategies and hard work. 2. Buying a house. Let's take a deeper dive into the second point on our list. Buying a house. This is an area where Warren Buffett's perspective challenges the conventional wisdom. Many people dream of home ownership, and for good reason. It's often seen as a symbol of financial success and stability. However, what Warren Buffett suggests might surprise you. The biggest investment most people will ever make is buying a home. And for a great many people, that's the worst investment they will ever make. Buffett argues that the mistake isn't in owning a house per se, but in the way many people approach it. Often, individuals rush into home ownership, taking on substantial debt to do so, and in the process, putting all their assets and savings into a single investment. Buffett's alternative perspective is to consider renting while simultaneously building the necessary financial assets. This allows you to diversify your investments and financial portfolio wisely. Here's the rationale behind this approach. 1. Financial diversification. By renting, you avoid the heavy upfront costs of home ownership. Instead, you can invest those funds in a diversified portfolio of assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate investment trusts or REITs. This strategy can potentially yield better returns over time. 2. Liquidity. Renting provides greater liquidity. In times of economic uncertainty or unexpected expenses, you have more financial flexibility when you're not locked into a mortgage. 3. Mobility. Renting allows for more flexibility in choosing where you live. You can adapt to changing life circumstances without the hassle of selling a property. Buffett's core message here is that while owning a house can be part of your long-term financial plan, it's essential not to overextend yourself financially or put all your eggs in one basket. Invest wisely in yourself, in your education, and in a diversified portfolio of assets. In doing so, you'll be better equipped to build wealth and achieve financial success over time. 3. Paying for a gym without commitment. Number 3 on our list is paying for a gym membership without commitment. Statistically, around 70% of gym members stop using their memberships after the first few months. Gyms often rely on people paying dues without showing up. Instead of wasting money on a membership you don't use regularly, explore low-cost or free fitness alternatives like outdoor activities, home workouts, or group exercises with friends. Building a consistent exercise routine that fits your lifestyle is key. 4. Luxury brands. Buffett emphasizes the importance of mindful spending when it comes to luxury brands. While millionaires can afford fashionable clothes, mansions, luxury cars, and designer clothing, it doesn't mean they should blindly spend their hard-earned money on these items. Just because you can afford it doesn't make it a wise purchase. Consider whether the brand justifies the high price tag or if a more affordable alternative with the same quality will serve you just as well. Financial freedom should guide your spending decisions, not the allure of logos. 5. Buying a new car. Now, let's delve into the fifth point on our list: the perilous path of buying a brand new car. This decision can often be one of the most detrimental financial moves you make, and it's essential to understand why. When you walk into a dealership, that gleaming new car might seem like the epitome of success and luxury. However, Warren Buffett's perspective on this topic is a stark reminder that appearances can be deceiving. Buffett's reasoning begins with a well-known concept of depreciation. As soon as you drive a brand new car off the dealership lot, it undergoes rapid depreciation, losing a significant portion of its value in the first year alone. It's estimated that new cars can depreciate by up to 30% during this initial period, and within 5 years, they can lose as much as 60% of their original value. Now, let's explore why this matters in the context of personal finance. Many people opt to borrow money to purchase new cars, essentially taking on debt to buy an asset that immediately begins to depreciate. This creates a financial conundrum. Buffett's approach is to buy cars with earnings from investments or assets that have already depreciated significantly. This way, you're not only saving money on the purchase itself, but also avoiding the ongoing depreciation costs. Warren Buffett's stance on buying new cars underscores the importance of making financially sound decisions. While a brand new car may hold appeal, its rapid depreciation and the additional costs associated with financing can hinder your long-term financial goals. Instead, consider purchasing a used car with a few years of mileage. By doing so, you'll save money and ensure that your hard-earned dollars work more efficiently toward your overall financial well-being. 6. Watching TV and playing video games. Warren Buffett highlights the time and money wasted on excessive TV watching and video gaming, which is more common in middle-class and lower-class households. Instead of using free time for constructive activities or learning how to generate additional income, many people fall into the habit of mindless entertainment. Buffett suggests that wealthier individuals invest their time more wisely, often reading and expanding their knowledge. Your time is a valuable resource. Use it strategically to enhance your life and financial prospects. 7. Extravagant vacations. Finally, extravagant vacations can become a financial trap when they're not well planned. While travel experiences are undoubtedly important, financing them through loans or debts can lead to financial nightmares. Buffett's advice is to plan your finances carefully, save up for your dream trip, and avoid a burden of debt. Make rational decisions, not emotional ones, when planning your vacations. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's wisdom shines a light on 7 common money-wasting mistakes that you should avoid to pave your path toward a wealthier future. Stay clear of excessive gambling, buying a house without proper financial preparation, paying for unused gym memberships, splurging on luxury brands, buying new cars, wasting time on TV and video games, and financing extravagant vacations through debt. We hope these insights will help you make better financial decisions on your journey to success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. We release new content weekly on wealth creation, investments, success, and a range of finance-related topics. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, financial success is within your reach. Until next time, goodbye!